Welcome back, gang. So yeah, the Lava X. I've been meaning to bring this out just when the sun's going down with a bit of greenery. This has onboard SD card recording, so I'm just going to do a quick bit of line of sight FPV footage recording, show you guys how cool this little thing is. Link in the description where you can find one of these bad boys. You will not be disappointed. This thing's a little cracker. Quick punch out, and off it goes. I've actually knocked this around a little bit, this one, guys, so you can see it's stood the test really well. 4-inch frame on it, nice battery, nice motor protectors there. So yeah, I love this thing. This thing here is one of my favourites. Oh, let's go. Oh, holy moly.
RF signal low.
What do you mean it's low? It's just in front of me. Okay. Let's do a bit of a ground sweep. Line of sight with these things, guys, is actually really hard to do. Let's try a little bit of her. Oh, bounce, bounce. Okay. So angle mode, horizon mode we're in now, so let's do a couple of flips and rolls while the recording's going.
RF signal low.
I do have a load of batteries coming. I have had some battery issues, I must admit. I had a LiPo explosion yesterday. That didn't go down well.
RF signal low.
Okay, that's enough.
Angle.
Go back in angle mode. Nice and safe. Yeah, it's really hard to see which is forwards and backwards when you're just doing line of sight with these things. Watch out for the bird. So the Lava X, guys, as I said in the description, bang for your buck, yeah, 9.5 out of 10. This thing is a ripper. Mind you, all of my little toothpicks and drones, I say, pretty much say they're all rippers, because yeah, they're heaps of fun. Heaps of fun. And how high can we go? We can go pretty high.
RF signal low.
I'm still recording. Oh, excellent. Sorry, I was going to do some FPV, but
RF signal low.
yes, as I said, my batteries ran out.
RF signal critical.
Well, I think we are getting a little bit low on power now.
RF signal low.
And we've disarmed. With the Lava X, when you have SD card recording, as you can see the lights flashing there, the battery dies, you'll lose all that recording. So what you actually need to do is, before the battery is completely depleted, if give that button a press and you'll see a solid red light. That means your recording has ended and it will be saved. To commence recording again on a new file, press the button again, it will start flashing and you're off again. And that's it. SkyPilot top tip, you can never have too many LiPos. Okay guys, if you ever see some LiPos on special and you're scratching your head thinking, should I buy that LiPo? Well, just buy it, man. Trust me. Thanks for dropping by, gang. Drop me a comment, smash that thumbs up, smash that bell. Plenty more FPV videos, demos, manuals, all sorts of bits and pieces to come, including my latest Baby Hawk. So stay tuned for more videos to come, guys, and thanks very much. Take it easy. SkyPilot, sit in the sky. Catch you later. What a ripper.